Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Life Science Gyan. In this video, we will see most repeated questions about malaria which are very important for various exams. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Our first question is malarial fever is caused by trypanosoma, leishmania, entamoeba, plasmodium. The correct answer is option D. Malaria is caused by plasmodium. Our next question is malaria caused by plasmodium is transmitted through air, contact, fleas on food, mosquito bites. Our correct answer is option D. Malaria caused by plasmodium is transmitted through mosquito bites. Our next question is the sporogyte of the malaria parasite is present in saliva of infected female Anopheles mosquito, RBC of humans suffering from malaria, spleen of infected humans, gut of female Anopheles mosquito. Our correct answer is option A. Sporogyte of malaria parasite is present in saliva of infected female Anopheles mosquito. Our next question is exoerythrocytic schizogony of plasmodium take place in RBC, leukocytes, stomach, liver. The correct answer is option D. Exoerythrocytic schizogony of plasmodium takes place in liver. Our next question is hemoglobin is a precursor of hemoglobin, toxin from streptococcus, a toxin from plasmodium species, a toxin from Haemophilus species. The correct answer is option C. Hemoglobin is a toxin from plasmodium species. Our next question is sporogytes of plasmodium vivax are formed from gametocytes, sporoblasts, oocytes, spores. The correct answer is option C. Sporogytes of plasmodium vivax are formed from oocytes. Our next question is World Malaria Day and Mosquito Day is observed on respectively March 25, July 20, April 25, August 20, May 25, September 20, June 25, June 20. Our correct answer is option B. World Malaria Day is observed on April 25 and Mosquito Day on August 20. Our next question is which genetic disease affect malarial pathogenesis? Hemophilia, thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, color blindness. Correct answer is option C. Sickle cell anemia affects malarial pathogenesis. Our next question is presence of Schupfner's granule in RBC indicates the disease. Sleeping sickness, amoebiasis, malaria, kala-azar. The correct answer is option C. Presence of Schupfner granules in RBC indicates malaria disease. The next question is hemoglobin is related with Gambian fever, yellow fever, malaria fever, all of the above. Correct answer is option C. Hemoglobin is related with malaria fever. Our next question is malignant or pernicious or black water fever caused by Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malarial, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium falciparum. Our correct answer is option D. Malignant or pernicious malaria is caused by Plasmodium falciparum. Our next question is who described a life cycle of Plasmodium in Anopheles mosquito. Grassy, Leveran, Koch, Ross. The correct answer is option A. Grassy first described life cycle of Plasmodium in Anopheles mosquito. The next question is infective stage in Plasmodium is amoeboid, trophozoite, sporozoite, cryptozoites. Our correct answer is option C. Sporozoites is infective stage in Plasmodium which cause malaria. Our next question is exflagellation in Plasmodium takes place in mosquito. Salivary gland, stomach wall, liver, lumen of stomach. Our correct answer is option D. Exflagellation in Plasmodium takes place in mosquitoes, lumen of stomach. Our next question is stomach of infected Anopheles mosquito has large number of sporozoites, eukinets, oocytes, scytozoans. Our correct answer is option C. Stomach of infected Anopheles mosquito has large number of oocytes. Our next question is Chapnet's granule in RBC indicates which stage of Plasmodium? Scytozont, cryptozoites, signet ring, trophozoites. Our correct answer is option A. Chapnet's granule in RBC indicates stage of scytozont. Our next question is whole sexual cycle of malaria parasite is completed within 10 to 20 days, 100 to 120 days, 100 to 200 days, 60 to 80 days. Our correct answer is option A. Whole sexual cycle of malaria parasite is completed within 10 to 20 days. Our next question is fertilization in Plasmodium occur in RBC of host, RBC of vector, gut of the vector, gut of the host. Our correct answer is option C. Fertilization in Plasmodium occurs in gut of vector, that is mosquito. Our next question is liver cells of man are infected by Plasmodium at pre-erythrocytic cycle, erythrocytic cycle, sporogony, gamogony. Our correct answer is option A. Liver cells of human are infected by Plasmodium at pre-erythrocytic cycle. Our next question is asexual reproduction during schizogony of malaria is kind of budding, fragmentation, multiple fission, binary fission. Our correct answer is option C. Asexual reproduction during schizogony of malaria is kind of multiple fission. Our next question is which Plasmodium species is not fatal but in rare cases turn into lethal kidney conditions? Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariale, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium falciparum. Our correct answer is option B. In case of Plasmodium malariale infection, that is not usually fatal but it can turn into lethal kidney condition in rare condition. Our next question is malaria relapses are common in human malarias except Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariale, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium falciparum. Our correct answer is option C. Plasmodium relapses are not common in Plasmodium ovale. Our next question is which stage of Plasmodium is diploid? Sporozoite, eukinets, oocytes, scytozone. Our correct answer is option B. Eukinets are diploid in Plasmodium. The next question is toxic hemozoin is formed by proteolysis of vector hemoglobin, proteolysis of human hemoglobin, anticoagulant in saliva, antibody produced by parasite. The correct answer is option B. Toxic hemozoin is formed by proteolysis of human hemoglobin. The next and last question of this video is in Plasmodium vivax infected malaria patient, shaking, chills followed by sweating takes place at interval of 24 hours, 32 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours. The correct answer is option C. At interval of 48 hours, shaking, chills followed by sweating take place at interval of 48 hours in Plasmodium vivax infected malaria patient. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Thank you so much.